Hi, Shaun Sterba, Warranty Manager here at Charleston Homes. And today I want to talk to you guys about your new home and moisture levels in your basement. Whether your basement's finished, unfinished, certain times of year when your home is built, you will have a little bit higher moisture content. Generally speaking, the first year living in any new home, the moisture levels will be elevated whether your basement's finished or unfinished due to the new concrete, the new foundation walls, the concrete on that, all the building products that go into it, whether it be wood, drywall, paint, trim, all that elevates the moisture content in your home. Your basement, especially during rain season or the high humid days of summer, you're gonna experience higher levels of moisture. The air conditioner will kind of condition some of that, but what you might have to do is supplement that using a dehumidifier. Not to be confused with a whole house humidifier or a humidifier that puts moisture into the air, but a dehumidifier that actually removes that warm, moist air that will collect and kind of give it that damp feel and maybe even like a musty odor. So a couple things that we use, kind of tools of the trade in my own personal house, is just a hygrometer. It's basically an indoor-outdoor temperature or thermometer. And so basically you'll have your main base, and I mean, it could be as simple as a $20 thing, or you can go extreme and extravagant to where it's Wi-Fi and all these different capabilities. But basically you just need something that's going to give you your moisture content reading. And then what I like to have is a remote one. So this normally in most applications you would put outside to get your outdoor readings. But in this case, I put this one downstairs in my basement. And so on this main hub here, I get my moisture content on my main floor as well as a reading for my basement. And so anything in a basement that's above 50% moisture, you'll probably want to run a dehumidifier down there to try and dry up that cool, damp air. And there's a variety of these. They're, like I said, inexpensive, or you can spend a lot. But the key thing you're looking for is just your percentage here of the relative humidity or the moisture content percentages. Again, you want to keep it, if it's really elevated, that means it's going to be cool and damp and potential for mold growth. Anything you store down there, whether it be paper products, clothing, things like that, it could get damp as well. While we're talking about storing things in the basement, definitely you want to use rubber totes as opposed to cardboard boxes, because the rubber totes are going to protect those items a lot better. If there was ever any water in the basement, it's going to protect it as opposed to cardboard box, especially sitting on the floor. So anyways, definitely invest in one of these. If you guys have any further questions, let us know. Otherwise, check out our website, charlestonhomesomaha.com, or go visit our models. Thank you.